In this short tutorial, I will show you the easiest way to get any YouTube video transcript. To start, open your web browser. Then go to the video you want the transcript for. Now, copy the video URL. Next, go to NoteGPT.io. I will leave the link in the description. Once on the site, just click on the YouTube transcript generator. After that, paste the YouTube video URL here and click on Generate Transcript. And here is our transcript. Now, if we want to download it without the timestamps, all you have to do is click on Download and select Without Timestamps. So, that's it, guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to leave a like, and thanks for watching.